It's a 2022 Audi A5 Coupe. A dual threat in inspiring performance and passionate design, it'll elevate your driving experience. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, heated leather sport bucket front seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, dual zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, steering assist cruise control, and LED low and high beam headlights. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.